Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start at account. Microsoft. And choose Create Account to begin registration. Enter an email you control or create a new Outlook address right away. Choose a password that is at least 8 characters long and includes letters, numbers, and symbols for strong protection. Add your phone number or alternate email to recover access quickly if you forget your password. You will receive a 6-digit code by text or email to verify identity before finishing setup. Enable 2-step verification to protect your account from unauthorized access immediately. Add the Microsoft Authenticator app to receive 6-digit codes or choose text messages as an alternative. Create a recovery email and add a phone number so you can regain access within minutes if needed. Use a unique password that you do not reuse across other services and consider changing it every 180 days for added safety. Review recent activity and security settings if you see any unfamiliar sign-ins. Sign into Windows, Office, Xbox, and Outlook using the same Microsoft account for seamless access. OneDrive gives 5 GB free storage and syncs your documents and photos automatically across devices. Open Settings on Windows and choose Accounts to enable sync of passwords, themes, and browser settings. Manage subscriptions, payments, and family sharing from account. Microsoft. Under Services and Subscriptions. Add family members to share Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.